Robert Whitaker. Remember the best time so far, 1:05.24. 4 players left to go. Over the first. Oh, good. Over the second. The third. But he hasn't had a fence down yet, has he?
Don't turn too
Has he?
soon.
How clever is this? Oh! It's 3 seconds to out, that's all. Now then, Mr. Ellsworth, up you get. Into the plate, get your feet in the arms. And off they go.
Oh, shit.
No. The second he comes down to the bottom. 46 seconds on the clock. They need to be changing in about 73, 74. Look at that, that's a great turn. He's got 2 fences from home. Comes inside, jumps the horse of the ear-show fence. Robert, take your hands out. Take your hands out of your pockets. That's it. You're not for a Sunday stroll, Robert. You're trying to win the Osborne Refrigerators Hurry Scurry. Dominic Ellsworth on the back, and you've got to hang on tight, Dominic, because I promise you this lady absolutely flies. Chaz and Dave take the turn, and they are quicker. They are absolutely flying. They've got 3 gates left to go in the Osborne, and look at that turn. It's 85 seconds on the clock. Yes, now we can cheer. Now we can cheer, because this is going in the lead. That is a great shot. Times 4:30, 97.13. Wow. 97.13. Should we give them a round of applause? They're in the lead.